Over Memorial Weekend, I made the trip out to COTALAND to check on the construction progress of Palindrome. It's topped out, and the station is being built. Across the street, all the footers are poured and the land is cleared and ready for the construction. No movement over there yet though. I don't know what's in these shipping containers here. This section used to be accessible, but now is all fenced off. The fence runs all the way along the road, down towards where a circuit breaker is going to be built. I assume that they're going to put attractions between the two, but they have not released a map of the park yet. This is the road where Palindrome's going to go over. It's a pretty long stretch and it's going to be a fun part of the ride. Here we can get a closer look at the construction. Closer view of the turnstile section that's going to be used to rotate the cars. Pretty cool looking. Keep in mind that this is Memorial Day weekend, so there's no activity going on in the site. I didn't see a single person. I didn't see any activity on the existing part of COTALAND. No construction equipment or things moving around. Everything looked basically the same as what I remember it. It's hard to tell what they're going to be doing with this area since they haven't released any information. I do have a good idea where circuit breaker is going to go after my conversation with Matt Huey. So let's go check out the construction over there. Basically, just a lot of land clearing and all the track and supports staged nearby. It's a good distance away from Palindrome, but I assume that they're going to fill in the space with rides. One thing that this park is greatly lacking is trees and shade, so hopefully they get some going because it gets hot in Austin. This area for circuit breaker is huge. I'm wondering if there's going to be other attractions right here, or at least some food stands and maybe a restaurant. I noticed all the log flume boats staged nearby where a circuit breaker construction site is. I'm happy to see this attraction being built, as this park is going to be hot in the summer. Hopefully we can see some more water rides added to the park. that does it for my update on COTALAND at Circuit of the Americas. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to keep up to date on construction going on.